Hi guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you some smartwatch. This is a factory store about the smartwatch. Now let me show you the different type of smartwatch. Now you can see here is a lot of here is a lot of product. You can see the smartwatch and the smart glass. Here is some smart glass. It can translate and play video, and of course you can see this camera, little camera, can uh, make a video and take a picture. There's a button, there's a play button, and now let me show you the price. 这个是160吗？
对，这165。
165. This is 165 CNY. This one. And let me show you the package. 这是它的包装是吧？And you can see the package. Okay, this is the package, and also the different color. You can see this is a white one. 这个多少钱？
这个160。
This is 160, and this is the package for this AI glasses. Okay, this one 160 CNY. 下面的这个呢？
但价格也是165。
This one is also the price is 165 CNY. You can see the camera, and this is the button. Okay, and also this is one is super cool. Now you can see this one. Maybe when you ride on the outside, you can take this. 这个是大概多少钱？
这种价格是105。
This is 105 CNY.
有带摄像头。
这个是没有摄像头的。
对。
Okay, this one has no camera. You can see only can 这只能播放音乐是吧？
跟接电话。
Only can play the. You can see only can play the music and take a phone. Okay, now let me show you the different smartwatch. And now you can see this one is the biggest smartwatch. Now you can see this one. This price is 80 CNY. 80 CNY. And also let me show you also all the product. Not everyone in stock, so some model has MOQ, minimum order quantity, so you need to confirm. Okay, this one maybe lady like this. 这个是多少钱来着？
这个是80块钱。
80. This is 80 CNY. Shining diamond, you can see. And 这个刚才你给我看的就是这个是不限30是吧？不限那个啥的是吧？
对。
没有 MOQ. This one no MOQ because they have stock in their stock. So this one is 30 CNY. Let me turn on. Maybe the battery low. And you can see what in the package. Now you can see this is the charger, the keyboard, and this for this black for the watch, and this is the watch. You can see looks like Apple's Ultra. 还有其他的 and you can see the package. 这个大概多少钱？这个应该是一样的吗？
这个接订单了，这个没有。
这个没有。OK。
像这种。
这个大概多少？
这种价格75。
This is 75. This price. This model. 这个多少？
这种45。
This is 45. 45. Also can play the music and take a phone. You can see. Okay. Okay. You can leave me a comment and wait. Let me check. 这个多少钱？
这一款价格是55。
This is 55. The price, okay. And leave me a comment below. Which one do you like? Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about this market. Okay, I might see you in the next video.